Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel at Sabi Maker. My name na Ekikerobomoso. Today I want to show now how to prepare fried rice. Now the recipes be this. I have here green pepper. See I don't cut and finish. See as they did. I don't cut them, come make them be like this. I have here carrot. See as the carrot they be. As I cut them, it come be like this. This one na green beans. See as they be. As I cut them, it come be like this. This one na salt. So na groundnut oil where I won't use. This one na turmeric powder. This one na green giant maize, sweet corn, call it sweet corn. This one na red kidney beans. Some people they like it. This one na thyme. This one na mixed spices where they don't put everything, mix everything, Corri, thyme, they mix them together. They call them mixed spice. This one na curry powder. This one na pepper, dry pepper. This one na chopped garlic and ginger. I get onions here. Now I won't begin to fry my rice. Okay, I have here my chicken where I don't steam finish. I won't use cook my rice. I have here rice where I don't use chicken water. I use my chicken water. I cook this one after I don't parboil and finish. I put turmeric powder inside. I put thyme. I put maggi, put small pepper, come make and be like this. See the face? I put curry powder, the color come change, come be like this. Then the rice they done. But it remain here now to just fry them. Fry everything together. I don't put my oil. I won't put my chicken small. Put my onions. Chopped onion. I'll put my carrots. This is green beans. Green pepper and the sauna. Done everything. Some people they put liver, where they don't chop and cut and finish. Some people they like it. I won't use my chicken. Anything you won't use. Can use. Okay. I'll add my turmeric small. Add my chopped garlic and ginger. Add my thyme. Small, because I don't already put them for rice. I have to put that small again. Put the curry powder, put small, because it's not already there inside rice. I put my sweet corn. Put my pepper. Don't put my rice. So put them down now. Turn them well, turn them. I have here my red kidney beans. Carry and put. Turn them well. Make everything mix. See the face. See the face. Fried rice is almost ready. Almost ready. Now don't turn on. Okay, friends, our fried rice is now ready. As you can see, I turn everything. See my. Let me test. So sweet, so sweet. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Makeup. Thank you. Goodbye.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Makeup.